Samsung, bigger than you think. In the realm of technology, few names evoke as much recognition and reverence as Samsung. This South Korean conglomerate has transcended the boundaries of innovation, leaving an indelible mark on the global technological landscape. Beyond the surface of its ubiquitous smartphones and cutting-edge televisions, Samsung's influence extends across a myriad of sectors, encompassing transformative contributions to healthcare, finance, and a myriad of other fields. To unravel the colossal presence of Samsung, one must delve deep into the multifaceted layers that underpin this giant of innovation and its far-reaching ramifications across the world. A legacy of innovation. At the core of Samsung's meteoric rise lies an unwavering dedication to innovation. The company's inception in 1938 as a small trading entity in Daegu, Korea, marked the beginning of a journey that would ultimately see Samsung metamorphose into a global technological juggernaut. Innovation, the driving force behind Samsung's evolution, is deeply ingrained in the company's DNA. It has consistently demonstrated an unyielding commitment to pushing the boundaries of what is possible, perpetually reinventing itself to meet the ever-evolving demands of consumers on a global scale. The smartphone revolution. Samsung's entry into the smartphone arena heralded a seismic shift in the tech world. With the introduction of the Galaxy series, Samsung fundamentally altered the way people interact with the digital realm. Galaxy smartphones, renowned for their sleek designs, vibrant displays, and potent processors, catapulted Samsung into the vanguard of the smartphone industry. They seamlessly merged style and substance, delivering devices that not only looked appealing but also provided cutting-edge functionality and capabilities. The Galaxy Note series, with its introduction of the stylus, set new standards for productivity, creativity, and convenience. These devices cater to professionals, artists, and individuals seeking a holistic digital experience. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S series emerged as the epitome of flagship smartphones, continuously pushing the envelope in terms of performance, camera technology, and design. Samsung's influence in the smartphone realm extended far beyond its own devices. The company's display technology became an industry standard, with OLED screens gracing not only Samsung phones but also those of competitors. Its semiconductor division, Samsung Semiconductor, became a pivotal supplier for various tech companies, manufacturing the chips powering a multitude of devices. Electronics beyond imagination. Samsung's impact transcends smartphones and televisions, venturing into the realms of home appliances, audio systems, and smart homes. The company's diverse product portfolio includes refrigerators that suggest recipes, washing machines with AI-driven fabric care, and vacuum cleaners that navigate autonomously. Smart TVs equipped with Bixby, Samsung's AI assistant, redefine the entertainment experience, allowing users to control their smart homes and access a world of content with a simple voice command. The acquisition of Harman International further bolstered Samsung's presence in the audio industry, with brands like JBL and Harman Kardon under its umbrella. From wireless earbuds to high-end sound systems, Samsung's influence spans every facet of audio technology. Advancements in healthcare. While Samsung is renowned for its consumer electronics, its impact on healthcare is equally profound. The development of innovative medical imaging equipment, including MRI machines and ultrasound devices, is a testament to the company's commitment to advancing healthcare. These technologies have revolutionized medical diagnosis, enabling earlier detection of diseases and more precise treatments. Samsung's focus on healthcare extends to telemedicine, where it facilitates remote consultations and health monitoring. Wearable devices, such as the Samsung Galaxy Watch, provide real-time health data to users, offering insights into their well-being. Finance and beyond. Samsung's reach extends into the financial sector through Samsung Pay, a mobile payment system that has gained global acceptance. The platform's convenience and security have made it a preferred choice for digital payments. Samsung's acquisition of LoopPay further strengthened its position in this field. In the field of artificial intelligence, AI, Samsung's Bixby voice assistant has made significant strides. Bixby is integrated into a wide range of Samsung products, from smartphones to smart appliances, offering a cohesive and interconnected user experience. Global impact and future aspirations. Samsung's global influence extends beyond its product offerings. The company is actively engaged in corporate social responsibility initiatives, focusing on sustainability, education, and community development. It is dedicated to reducing its environmental footprint and has set ambitious goals for 2030, aiming to achieve carbon neutrality and significantly reduce its use of water resources. In the realm of technology, Samsung's commitment to innovation knows no bounds. The company's investments in research and development are substantial, driving the evolution of AI, 5G, and semiconductor technology. Samsung's aspirations include advancements in quantum computing and a presence in the burgeoning field of autonomous vehicles. Diverse ecosystem of services. Samsung has diversified its offerings to create an ecosystem of interconnected services. Samsung Health, for instance, integrates seamlessly with Samsung wearables and other devices to track fitness, provide health insights, and even offer telehealth services. This holistic approach to well-being underlines Samsung's commitment to improving lives. Additionally, Samsung DeX allows users to transform their smartphones into desktop computing experiences, enhancing productivity and flexibility. It exemplifies Samsung's vision of a world where digital experiences are borderless and adaptable. Global reach and cultural impact. Samsung's reach extends far beyond the confines of its headquarters in South Korea. The brand's name is synonymous with innovation and quality across the globe. Its products and services have become staples in households, workplaces, and educational institutions worldwide. In the cultural sphere, Samsung's influence is noteworthy. The company sponsors major events and is actively involved in sports, entertainment, and the arts. Samsung's commitment to fostering creativity has led to initiatives that support emerging artists, musicians, and athletes. Challenges and controversies. As with any global conglomerate, Samsung has not been without its challenges and controversies. Legal issues, such as the high-profile case involving its de facto leader, have garnered significant media attention. The company has also faced criticism regarding working conditions and environmental concerns. However, Samsung has taken steps to address these issues, implementing sustainability initiatives, advocating for ethical business practices, and engaging in philanthropy and community development. As it continues to navigate these challenges, Samsung remains committed to the principles of corporate social responsibility. Towards the future, Samsung's aspirations are boundless. The company is at the forefront of emerging technologies, including quantum computing and artificial intelligence. It aims to play a pivotal role in the development of 6G networks, shaping the future of global connectivity. Autonomous driving is another arena where Samsung is making substantial investments, with its subsidiary Harman contributing to advancements in automotive technology. The vision includes not only self-driving cars but also connected vehicles that communicate with one another and smart infrastructure, paving the way for safer and more efficient transportation. Samsung's scope and impact are far more extensive than what meets the eye. It is a conglomerate that has embedded itself deeply into the fabric of our digital lives, and its reach extends across an array of industries, from consumer electronics to healthcare and finance. With a rich legacy of innovation, a commitment to sustainability, and an eye on the future, Samsung stands as a tech giant that is indeed bigger than you think. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.